Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO Y21D and let me share with you how to change a video resolution on this device. So let's begin with opening the camera app. And currently we are in the standard photo mode. So let's switch to the video one. And as you can see at the very top, we've got this option bar, and right in the middle we've got the resolution. So let's tap on it, and in this device we've got two different options, so 1080p, which is currently applied, or 720p. So just tap on the option you'd like to use. It will be immediately highlighted, which means that from now on your device will use the chosen resolution whilst recording a video. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.